Hello and namaste from Mumbai. Once again, we'll try to understand another remedy, like always. Today, we'll learn a new remedy. The name of the remedy is Acorus calmus. Belongs to the Araceae family, Arames, the same family which has Aramtrophyllum, Caladium, Ictodes, and so on. Now, this remedy, Acorus calmus, is mainly used in Ayurveda, and this remedy is used in Ayurveda as a medicinal herb, like a mind tonic, and mainly it is used to strengthen the brain with relation to concentration, focus, memory, thinking. Basically, it's a mind herb. Now, where it could be a game changer for us in homeopathy, it could be a very important remedy for us for as a organ specific remedy, like a drainage remedy, and in future could be a much more deeper remedy when we try to prove and clinically verify more, mainly in ADHD, autistic children, especially for focus, especially for concentration, especially for restlessness of mind, especially for communication, especially for speech, especially for organization of speech. Clarity and organization of speech, this is very important. Acorus calmus. Generally, they are also very irritable, aggravated by noise, very strong pattern there. A lot of reflux, a lot of mucus in this remedy, a lot of faintness, a lot of weakness, a lot of digestive issues. So it's a more of a remedy which could be a adjunct remedy to the indicated remedy that you could think about. The Araceae family, all remedies from this family have some sexual connotations. Like Caladium belongs to this family, so it's more like an aphrodisiac. There's a lot of burning sensation. There's a lot of sensitivity. It reminds you a little bit of Staphylos aureus also. And the other part is a lot of sleepiness and apathy that goes on in this family. So this is a very interesting remedy, Acorus calmus. It's worthwhile using it in 1x or 6e potency. I would like you to apply it, use it, and see it yourself. Acorus calmus.